Alright fellas, Gavin here from Sidon. I'm here with Ronan from Pump Cover. We're just giving him a fresh fade. But he's got a bit of concerns, isn't it, with the top of your hair? Like, it's just, like what we were saying earlier, it's just like too straight. It just doesn't really do much.
Need more stuff in the top.
I mean, what I recommended him was the dust. So we blow drying his hair just like pretty much straight down. Like, this is kind of how it sits anyway though, innit? Like, we haven't even, you know, it's obviously really straight. It's like, it's not thick or curly or anything. So like, the dust is probably going to work wonders. So a lot of people, when they use the dust, they struggle because you see traditionally with people using volumizing dust is they tap it in like this, right? Oh, I got a bit there. That can kind of mess it up a little bit sometimes for some people, because what they do is like they over distribute one area of the hair. They don't get enough in, say, the fringe or whatever. So what I like to do when I'm starting off using the dust is actually put it in my hand. So I'll put it in my left hand, which is my better hand. If you're right-handed, you know, use that one. I'll put about that much in. I'll literally just kind of apply it like it's any other product. So what that does is like it's kind of creates a less strong effect, and it's easier to kind of manipulate how much dust you're actually putting into the hair. So as you can see here, we've missed the fringe. So then what I do, I'll lift up the back bit here and I'll just get the fringe and I'll tap in the tiniest little bit here. And then to give it a bit more lift and volume in the front, I'll go from underneath with my hands. And then from there, it's really just scrunching the hair together, styling to how you see fit. What do you think, babe?
Yeah, it looks good.
Nice difference.
Better, yeah.
Nice, man. So Ronan's actually done it himself now. As you can see, there's a lot more movement in the hair. There's a bit more volume. As you can see, the front's coming up a little bit more. Like I said, if you fellas want any more specific tutorials on any hairstyles, let me know in the comments.